Now we have the narcotic drugs. So what happened, like if we talk about narcotics drugs, when the narcotic drugs are taken in a desired amount, that is in a recommended amount, then they relieve pain and they produce sleep. They relieve pain and they produce sleep. But if it is taken in excess, if the dose exceeds the recommended amount, then it can actually cause the condition of coma, convulsions, and ultimately can be fatal also. That means it can cause death also. So therefore, always the narcotic drugs should be taken as in the dose as it is recommended by the doctors. And you know that where these narcotic drugs are generally being used, they are used at the time after operation for relieving the post-operation pain, at the time of childbirth, treatment of terminal cancer. So that means when the condition is very critical, then the narcotic drugs is being used. Example, we have morphine. This is the structure for morphine, as you can see here, and likewise we have the structure for heroin and codeine. They all are narcotic drugs, and please take care that you need to take these drugs only when it is recommended by the physicians, and moreover the dose should not exceed the normal amount.